Well, did it again. I got a boat. This is a Blue Crab 11. I got it because, you know what, I wanted a kayak. This little guy will go basically anywhere. It's going to fit in the back of my truck and it'll just be a blast. I've got some cleaning up to do and some rigging. So my schedule has been pretty hectic and I haven't been around to work on things, but I'm getting back in the swing of things with this new job and everything. And ever since the beach trip, I wanted to be on the water. Today we went kayaking and this gave me just enough push to get this boat into the water. I slid it up here so it could dry out because it had some water inside the hole. And now we're going to fiberglass it and fix it. Alright, I'm ready to catch. Perfect. So the one real thing that is truly keeping me from putting this thing in the water right now is this drain plug disaster that's going on right here. There's supposed to be a pipe that goes from this one to the cockpit drain, and I don't think there is because I can take my finger and reach it in there. So I want to cut an access right here, install an access port, and put proper drain plugs on this thing, and possibly a PVC pipe to run through. Another thing I want to do is up here, so the silicone on the dagger board well, I'm going to get out and put some fiberglass on it, and then this like should be ship shape. It was owned by a lady who sailed this thing all the time and passed away, and it went to her son. Her son didn't want it, so I offered him 300 bucks and I got it. And here she is. Let's get to work on this thing. So this will go right here. That way it allows me access into the sealed compartment to keep an eye on things, see what's going on, make sure that there is no water in this compartment, and if there is, I'm able to get it out or fix the problem, because you don't know if there's water getting in if you can't see it. Oh, go back over there. Boats are rocking. So this plate right here, I don't know if you can see it. Newport Boats, Gloucester, Virginia. Pretty neat. This piece is riveted on. I would not think a rivet would hold in fiberglass, but whatever. So we're gonna unrivet it. Yep, drill more holes in the boat to fix it. Makes sense. That looks to be pretty center, just by the eyeball of things. And that'll go. Cutting holes to fix holes. Logic. Boat stuff. Contact. I was not expecting any fiberglass styrofoam in here. So I'm going to forego the PVC pipe idea because it comes in right here and it goes off this way. So I'll have to get a flexible piece of pipe. But for now, I'll just put the drain plugs in and then I'll attach them later. But I got this fit in so we can keep an eye on it. Get some butyl tape, seal that thing up, and this thing should float. Woo-hoo! So I went ahead and I vacuumed out the inside of this. I got it decent, but it's still pretty rough. I unfortunately I can't find my butyl tape. I don't know where it went. Where has my butyl tape gone? But I'm just gonna use some some Dynaflex Ultra. I can't find it because my garage is a mess right now because I've been so behind on things. So this is me getting things fixed up. I've taken this drain plug, and I've cleaned it up, and I've made it so this fits in here nice and snug. Drilled some pilot holes, and I've done the same with this side up here. So now I'm going to take some silicone, goop it around this fitting right here, and put it right on in there. Just goop it around this fitting, make it real good. Dry piece. Oh gosh. We'll use that. Oh, there we go. Come on. Let's get you nice seated in here. Come on. Good bead all around. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see right there. Right there. I'm just going to ferry this around it nice. I got this back part all buttoned up. Got the access hole set and nice and locked in. The forward drain plug, aft drain plug, everything's good to go. And now I'm working on the dagger board well. And it is covered by some silicone. I pulled up half of it, but that silicone was covering a lot of ugly. We'll get that glassed up and looking good in no time, but just pulling it up. It's just, you can see it moving when I bounce. So that's not good. So when I glass it, I'm going to take all the weight off of it, get this thing nice and strong, and she should hold. So I carved most of the caulk out with a knife, and now the old death wheel will get the rest of it and get it nice and clean for fiberglass. Got the crack nice and cleaned up on both sides. Gonna go prepare my strips of fiberglass cloth, cut them, and get ready to glass this thing up. So I've got this little fiberglass kit from Lowe's. We'll just go. You don't need all of this, but that's probably fine. And we'll stir that. You got to be somewhat fast with this stuff. Just know that your brush will get destroyed. There. I've got it all glassed up. My fingers are pretty disgusting. So now we wait until the morning and we see how she looks. It takes about 2 hours to dry, and it's 11 o'clock right now. That bug just flew into my eye. Oh my goodness. So we'll see, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna double check it, make sure it's good. The fiberglass cured really well. This piece no longer moves. There's a couple bubbles in it, but I'm fine with that. This piece is nice and solid. That piece is fixed. Got it all cleaned out. I'm gonna get it over there. So we've had quite a bit of rain, and well, it's pretty full of water. Guess that means my fiberglass held. We did get some water on the inside, so that's got to come out before we float it. Guess that's something we got to deal with. So we got all the water out of it. I'm gonna rig it up, put the sails on it, and make sure I have everything before I put it on the trailer and go float test this thing. I think we're ready. I get the sheets made. Added the carabiner and the rope nest up here. Put a shackle on the jib. I think it's ready. You just need paddles and a life jacket. Oh yeah, that's a good looking boat. All loaded up, got the boat, got the mast, boom, rudder, daggerboard, paddles, life jacket. We're good to go. Well, we got the boat, we got water. We don't have wind, but it should be a good test to see if this thing will float. Just like a giant kite. Ooh. And we're off. He's pretty big.
Paddleboard.
Paddleboard. Does not appear that we're taking on water. This is a tippy little boat though. Well, we're out on the water. There is zero wind. Nothing. So no sailing today, but we did test the floatability of this boat, the buoyancy. Ow, fly! Dang, there's some flies biting us real bad. This boat is pretty tippy. We have to balance it out. I feel like if both of us sit on this side, it will flip. Maybe. It was close. We almost dipped the rail in the water. This repair is holding up good. This water is disgusting, just mud. But not too shabby. This thing would be nice with some breeze. Probably bounce this boat out too. This is so cool. We don't need trolling motors here. Yeah, that's real tight. That's kayak territory there. I don't think the mast will fit under those branches. Nope. Oh, that's light. Look, that's the smell. Oh my gosh!
No, I'm watching your feet.
You see how deep I'm sinking?
Yes.
Ain't no way. I'm knee deep in mud. What is this?
Mud.
Oh, it smells so bad. We made a mistake. Oh, and it's holly leaves. Ouch. Doing nothing. There we go. Well, it floats. It didn't take on any water, so that's good. So now I can feel better about taking it somewhere where I can go sailing. I do need to figure out a better way of hauling this thing, because the utility trailer, I mean, it works, but it's too many moving pieces. I just want to put it in the back of a truck. Back of a truck and roll. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. I enjoy being out on the water. Before this boat had the gale force, so I never showed that sailing, but I just realized I can lay down on this thing, so I will go camping on this little boat. It's gonna be a good time. I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe for more. I've got the compact 23 I'm working on, F250, everything. There's a lot going on. Take it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. What are you trying to do? Trying to see how much I can sit on this thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's flipping.